Behind the scenes at a car manufacturing plant. Welcome to the fascinating world of car manufacturing. Today, we're talking about behind the scenes of a state-of-the-art car manufacturing plant, to show you what it takes to create your favorite vehicles from scratch. As you enter the plant, you'll notice the impressive scale and organization of the facility. Each section is meticulously planned to ensure a smooth and efficient production process, from the arrival of raw materials to the delivery of the finished product. First, let's explore the stamping shop. Here, massive machines use hydraulic pressure to cut and shape sheets of metal into the various body panels for the cars. The precision of these machines is simply astounding and a marvel of modern engineering. Now we move on to the welding shop. In this area, highly skilled workers and automated robots work in unison to assemble and weld the different metal parts together, forming the structural skeleton of the vehicle. Safety and accuracy are top priorities in this section. Next up is the paint shop, where the car's body gets its vibrant color and glossy finish. The painting process involves multiple layers of primer, paint, and clear coat, all applied by advanced robotic systems to ensure a flawless and durable finish. Our journey continues to the assembly shop, where the car truly comes to life. Here, thousands of individual components, such as the engine, transmission, and interior fittings, are expertly assembled onto the vehicle's body by both human workers and machines. As we near the end, we arrive at the quality control department. Every car undergoes rigorous testing and inspection to ensure it meets the highest standards of safety, performance, and reliability. Only then is it ready for its new owner. Finally, we wrap up our behind-the-scenes look at a car manufacturing plant. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into the complex and fascinating process that goes into creating the vehicles we rely on every day. Thank you for joining us, and happy driving.